Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Last time we saw that we added get user wishlist using the user ID and also we integrated that into our uh, Android application. So now what we need to add is to delete a wishlist basically. So one way is to do it is to add a get service. So let's get started with that. So what we will be needing is a delete call and yeah, rest all the things will be as same as post, where we will check all the things which are required to check all the given details, like app check token was there or not, then we fetch key, prop key and user, and we check if those are available or not. Now we need to check if that wishlist is present or not. One way to do it is, yeah, this one. We get a document which we want to, and if it is present, then if it is not, basically, then we delete it. Now what we need to see is how to delete a document from MongoDB. Yeah. So delete one we can call. We don't have to delete many. We only need to call one, and it will be in Python language. Yes. So not delete many, but delete one. So let's see what it takes. Okay. Now delete one, we give the key and the value, and yeah, I guess this is only what we need. One way we can do is add a method delete document from which collection the key and the value. I think it only need that here. Now delete a single document basically, and rest are basically the same. Collection from which the document is to be deleted, and value of the key. Okay, so we have this now. Collection dot delete one, and what we need is key and your value. Okay, what's the error? Okay, we need one more line. Okay, now we have that. If this is also not correct, then we delete the wishlist. To do that, we need to call delete document and self dot wishlist collection. Key will be this keys dot wishlist ID, and one more will be this value will be wishlist आएगी and I think it returns as well a delete result. Okay, we can return it and we need one count. Okay, if result of click count double equals 1, then we go and drag message list, let's keep it like this so that I can, else something went wrong. I need to see what is the error code for it. Form mechanical unacceptable conflict gone application client response and get access to okay. Vertical marking blanket backpack okay mark it will be 400. It is a mark or will mark persecute something like this perceived to be a client error. Okay, mark client error. Okay, let's do 4 mark 4. If it is not able to delete, basically it was not able to find it. And restless deleted unique error. So let's add the restless deleted. Restless was okay. Removed from your wish list. We were not able to remove property name from your wish list. Please try. Okay, now we need the property name. Okay. Name is equal to get keys card property name. Okay, and what we need is keys card restless deleted property name, and if not restless deleted error. Okay, so now this is the delete service. Let's cascade outcome. Let's see if I have the wish list. Okay. This would be aware like whenever the request goes it automatically runs it. Okay, now I have one. Now let's add a request. It will be same this but click call and let's use the property this time. Okay, I add a tag, then in header we'll assign it this. Okay, Now let's send this as user not found, and let's send the wrong value as user is not present as. Okay, let's send the proper key as proper key not present. Okay, again. If I go on SendGag, same error. If both are present, 40 property is already in use. Okay. Why it's 409? Okay. Sorry. If it is none, then we 404. Yes, let's not found. Let's add this. Not found in your list. Okay, how to check it? There will be no way to check this until we do this change. Now we make a click on this. Okay. Let's check our Mongo KB ones, or one thing also we can do is get the list of not found. If we again delete it, was not found in the wish list, yes. But anyway, let's check that once into our database so that we are confirmed that it's actually deleted. Let's close all this. I will be adding the whole Postman workspace into the project after I'm almost done. But okay, there is cutting, you can see, or you can see this. In wishlist we have 0, we have 1 property, 2 users, but no wishlist. Okay. So I was telling that I will be importing all these calls into the Python project so that if anyone needs to, they can use it. So I guess for this video we are done. Thanks for watching. In our next video we will be adding this call into the Android project, and that will be the last part of the last part of the wishlist. Okay. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and so that you know when the next part is coming. Thank you.